In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add deals to TeamGate CRM, one of the popular CRM tools for sales teams. But stick around till the end because I'll also share some great alternatives that could be better for your needs, especially when you're looking for more flexibility and ease in your CRM workflow. To get started with adding deals to TeamGate CRM, first, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Deals section, which you can find on the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on the plus Add Deal button. You'll immediately be prompted to fill in some basic information like the deal's name, value, and stage in your sales pipeline. It's simple, right? Next thing you'll need to do is associate your deal with the right contact or company. You can do this by searching for existing records, or you can create a new contact directly from the deal entry form. This ensures that all your deal details are tied to the relevant individual or business, making tracking and follow-ups much easier. After entering the basic details, the next thing to focus on is the deal stage. TeamGate has a customizable pipeline, which means you can create stages that reflect your sales process exactly. Whether you're at the prospecting stage or negotiating, you'll be able to track your deals accordingly. The fourth thing you should know about is the due date field. TeamGate allows you to set due dates, which helps with keeping your sales process on track. You can also assign deals to specific team members, ensuring that the right person is following up at the right time. Now that your deal is set up, you can start adding more specific details to track its progress. TeamGate offers options like adding notes, tasks, and even attaching files related to the deal. This is where you can keep all your communication, documents, and action items centralized in one place. Next, TeamGate CRM gives you the flexibility to update the deal as it progresses. You can move it through different pipeline stages, update its value, and log any new activities. As your deal moves forward, you'll be able to visualize its progress in the pipeline view. The last thing to keep in mind is TeamGate's reporting capabilities. While it does give you basic sales pipeline views and reporting, you may find that it lacks some of the advanced reporting features offered by other CRMs. This can be a deal breaker if you're looking for in-depth analytics to drive your strategy. Now, I've walked you through how to add deals to TeamGate CRM, but if you're looking for something with a little more flexibility, or if you find TeamGate's reporting a bit limited, I've got some alternatives for you. I've got a special extended free trial with one of the top competitors, which might be more aligned with your goals, especially if you need advanced reporting and integrations. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check out the alternatives linked in the description below. You might find one that's a better fit for your needs and goals than TeamGate CRM. Don't miss out.